Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine two images together in Adobe Photoshop Elements 11. We're going to take the little stick figure that we created in the previous video and add it into an image that has an interesting building. So I've got Adobe Photoshop Elements open on my desktop. I made sure I'm in the Expert tab and I selected Photo Bin. I've already gone to my photo folder and just dragged the images that I wanted down into the photo bin. So I have a picture of the Burj Khalifa and I've got my stick person that I created earlier. We are going to create a new file that is going to allow us to combine these two images together. So we're going to go to File, New, and Blank File. We're going to call this Me at the Burj. The preset, I'm going to choose US paper and just press OK. Now I want to first of all bring in the picture of the Burj Khalifa. So I'm going to select it down at the bottom. I want to select the whole thing, so I can either go to Select and click on All, or I can use the keyboard shortcut, which is the Control key held down and A. And we can see the dotted line, so it's all selected. Then I'm going to copy it, so I can go Edit, Copy, or I can use the Control or the keyboard shortcut, which is Control C. Now I'm going to go back to our new image. And I'm going to paste it in, and I can go to the Edit menu, or I can just use the shortcut Control V. I would like this to take up more of the space, so I'm going to go on the Selection tool here. And now we've got these handles showing up. I'm just going to drag them and have this image take up as much of the space as possible. And you may have noticed that a new layer has been created when I drag that image in. And when I'm happy with where it's placed, I just click on the check. Now I want to bring in that image of the stick person, so I'm going to go to the photo bin again, click on the stick person, and I'm going to go Select All again, so Control A. And we can see that it's all selected, and Copy, so Control C. And then back to our new image. And I'm going to go Control V to paste myself in there. Great, now I want myself to be a little bit smaller. I'm not going to do it to scale because the Burj Khalifa is huge. And I'm just going to put myself down in the bottom. I think what I will do is tilt it a little bit. So I can see I've got these curvy arrows, so I'm going to be like this. Just place it where I want it. Now I want to have a little bit of fun with this picture, so I'm going to put some text in. So I'm going to use the text tool over here. And it just said to apply the transformation because I moved this part around and it just wanted me to confirm that's where it wants to be. So the text tool down here, it's going to type horizontally. You can choose to have it go vertically if you like. And there's some other features as well. You can choose the size of the font. 100 is going to be pretty big, so if I put it on here, it's pretty big. So what I can do is I can just select it and choose a smaller font size. That's a little too little. Okay, and then I'm going to put Me at the Burj Khalifa. And we still need to be a little bit smaller. I don't know if you noticed I clicked in a different spot. If I click over here again, then I can move it around. If I find that that color doesn't work, I can select and choose a different color, so I could make it purple if I want. In this case, I'm going to be printing it out in black and white, so I'm going to keep it black. So I'll just go back to the text, highlight it, and I'm happy with that, how that looks, so I'm going to go click on the check. Alrighty, so what we've done here is we've taken one image, we've added another image on top, and we've added some text. One thing to note with layers is there's a certain order to them. So if I, over here with the layers, if I move these around, for instance, if I put this layer at the very top, it covers over everything else. You can see a bit of my leg here. If I put it here, now we can see the text because it's text and then this and then this. So if you have things showing up in the wrong spot, you can move around the layers on the side here. You can also select something and right click, and you can choose to bring to front, bring forward, which just moves it forward one level. I could send it all the way to the back, right? And now if I want it back at the top, I can bring it back up again. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to showing you some more stuff in the near future.